Here, day 2 at the roof install project we got here, where we re-sloped this flatter section. We gave it a smaller slope onto it. We were installing a pill and stick roof system, which this portion here, the first portion, once it heats up, it sticks down onto the plywood and on top of the drip edge. So this won't come off anymore. Now all the drip edge is folded right onto top of the gutter. That way when water comes in and out, it stays in the gutter, not goes behind it and makes it leak like you normally see it. Carolina Roof Consultants, guys, give us a call. All new custom folded drip edge installed right on top of the gutter. All these gutters will be cleaned out. Nice and neat. He's going to be installing here. Got new shingles laid down, slate color here. All the pipe boots redone. As you can see, no nails are on the exterior of the pipe boot, meaning no water is able to rust them or have them leak. What we do after a roof install, we go around and check everything, make sure everything's left right behind the guys, make sure all the work is properly guaranteed for your 15-year warranty. No nails whatsoever driven below the shingle line. If you nail here, here, and here, you usually will have a leak within 4 or 5 years. It's a one-day process all the way through. Second day is pretty much touch-up basis and clean up. All those vent stacks will be caulked underneath, re-nailed, secured down, and then we'll have a seal on top of those. We have our army guy out here rolling all the seams, making sure it adheres properly onto the plywood. Cholo, estás en el Facebook Live. Estás en Facebook. Es chingón, Cholo. Here the guys left 2-3 rows of shingles without being nailed, so we can properly adhere the flat roof system on there, and then the shingles will come right on top. Before, you used to have a fascia along the whole edge with a drop of 10 inches down, a gutter in between. We eliminated that, brought the roof up, and installed a flat roof system here. You'll never have a leak in this section ever again. Same process, drip edge right over the gutter. That's the way to do it. House, building, everywhere. If you install drip edge over the gutter, you'll never have leaks behind the gutter and have rotted fascia.